while we're still here, we're gonna actually work on the turn signals as well. And this will be the ones on top of it, okay? So it'll be a gray connector. This will be this one. It's a T7440 in amber, okay? So we're gonna put that to the side. Thank you. And it's gonna be these. These are polarity sensitive, so these do have to go a specific way. So you have to test these ones for sure. So we're gonna turn that on real quick. And it's working fine, so we're good. We got it on the first shot. So in case it wasn't correct, so let's say I put it, if you could please stay over there real quick, just one more time. In case it's installing correctly, as you saw, I just flipped it over. The lights are currently on, but it's not flashing. So if I take this off, flip it over, reconnect it, there you have it, okay? So these, the turn signals, are polarity sensitive. The brake lights are not. So at this point, you can just reinstall this. Okay, and then there it is, simple as that. And you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So we have completed this vehicle, guys, and now we're gonna show you the actual bulbs that we replaced and see how they look from outside. And that's gonna be first the brake light with the T7440s in red. Those are new models that are coming out. Then we got the T15s in the backup lights. Those also new models are coming out. And then we got the T7440s in amber for the turn signals. And that's it, guys. That was all there is to it. If you guys have any questions, concerns, feel free to let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out. And we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching.